Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about order of operations, PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule. I am Teacher Cherry, your math teacher. Order of operations definition. The order of operations are a specific set of steps to follow in multi-step problems to ensure that everyone gets the same final answer. 4 rules for order of operations. First, perform calculations inside parentheses first, or any grouping symbols. It can be bracket, braces, vinculum, or parentheses. For step 2, solve exponents. So we simplify first, or we get the value for numbers with exponents. And then the third step is to perform all multiplication and division from left to right, or as they occur from left to right, because multiplication and division are married or they are partners. For step 4, we have perform all addition and subtraction from left to right, or as they occur from left to right, because addition and subtraction are married or they are partners. Again, for step 1, P stands for parenthesis. So we perform operation first inside the parenthesis. For step 2, we get the value of numbers with exponents. For step 3, we solve for multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. So which come first from left to right? For step 4, we perform operations of additions or subtraction as they occur from left to right. Common error. Be careful. PEMDAS is only 4 steps. P stands for parenthesis, E, exponent. Third step is multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. And the last step is addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. It is not 6 steps. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. It is not a 6 steps. It is only 4 steps. Important. Always underline the portion of the problem you are solving and bring down the remaining parts of the problem. Your problem should look like an upside down triangle, just like this one. Let us have an example. If we have 3 plus 2 times 6 minus 7, what operation should come first? For PEMDAS rule, multiply and divide comes before adding and subtracting. So we must multiply first 2 and 6. So 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Then bring down 3 plus and subtraction minus 7. Then what is the next step? We do not have any multiplication and division. What comes next? Correct. Addition and subtraction. Which occurs first? Is it addition or subtraction? Correct. It is addition. So we add first 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Then we bring down 7. Now we can subtract 7 from 15. So 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. So our answer will be 8. Let us have another example. If we have 8 plus open parenthesis 3 times 4 close parenthesis minus 13. If we will follow PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis. Do we have operation inside the parenthesis? Yes, correct. We have 3 times 4. So we must multiply 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. And then bring down the rest. Next, do we have numbers with exponents? None. How about the third step? Do we have multiplication and division? None. So, let us go now to the last step, which is perform all addition and subtraction as they occurs from left to right. Which will come first? Is it addition or subtraction? Yes, correct. It is addition. So we must add first 8 and 12. 8 plus 12 is equals to 20. And then bring down minus 13. 20 minus 13 is equals to 7. So our answer will be 7. Did you get the correct answer? Let us have another example. 3 raised to the fourth power minus open parenthesis 4 times 10 close parenthesis plus 3. In PEMDAS rule, we perform first operation inside the parenthesis. Do we have numbers with parentheses? Yes, we have. 4 times 10. So we must multiply 4 and 10 first. 4 times 10 is equals to 40. Then bring down the rest. Next step is to perform numbers inside or perform numbers with exponents. Do we have numbers with exponents? Yes, we have 3 raised to the fourth power. So what do we mean by 3 raised to the fourth power? We will multiply 3 4 times. So, 3 raised to the fourth power is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We will multiply the base, which is 3, 4 times. So 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 9 times 3 is equals to 27. 27 times 3 is equals to 81. So our answer will be 81. 81 minus 40 plus 3. Do we have multiplication and division? None. So let us go now to the last step, which is perform all addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. Which come first? Is it addition or subtraction? Correct. It is subtraction. So we will subtract first 81 minus 40. 81 minus 40, we will have 41. Then bring down plus 3. We can now add 41 and 3. 41 plus 3 is equals to 44. So our answer will be 44. Let us have another example. If we have 11 plus open parenthesis 15 minus 3 close parenthesis times 2. So what is the first step? We perform operation inside the parentheses. Do we have numbers with parentheses? Yes, we have 15 minus 3. So 15 minus 3 is equals to 12. Then we bring down the rest. And times 2. Okay, do we have numbers with exponents? None. Let us go now to the third step, multiplication and division. Do we have multiplication and division? Yes, we have multiplication. 12 times 2. 12 times 2 is equals to 24. Then we bring down 11 plus 24. 11 plus 24, we have 35. So our answer will be 35. For example, number 5, we have 6 squared minus 13 plus 5 times 2. So for the first step, we perform numbers inside the parentheses. Do we have parentheses or any grouping symbol in our equation? Okay, correct, none. How about the next step? Do we have numbers with exponent? Yes, we have 6 squared. So when we say 6 squared, it means you will multiply 6 twice. So if you will multiply 6 times 6 is equals to 36. So 6 squared or 6 raised to the second power is equal to 36. Then we bring down the rest. Minus 13 plus 5 times 2. For the third step, we have multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. So do we have multiplication or division? Yes, we have multiplication. So we have 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Then we bring down the rest. 36 minus 13 plus 10. So we will now proceed to the last step, which is addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. So which comes first? Is it addition or subtraction? Correct. It is subtraction. So we will perform first subtraction. 36 minus 13. We have 23. Then bring down plus 10. So we can now solve the last operation, which is addition. 23 plus 10, we will have 33. So our final answer is 33. Let us have another example. If we have 50 minus, open parenthesis, 16 divided by 2 squared, close parenthesis, plus 3. So first, we perform operation inside the parentheses. Do we have numbers inside the parentheses? Yes. 16 divided by 2 squared. But we have exponent inside the parentheses. So we will perform first inside the parentheses with exponent. 2 squared is equals to 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then we bring down the rest. Next, So we simplify the exponents, but we have a parenthesis. So we perform first operation inside the parenthesis. So 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Then we bring down the rest. Next, do we have multiplication and division? None. How about addition and subtraction? For the last step, as they occur from left to right, which comes first? Is it addition or subtraction? Correct, it is subtraction. So, we must subtract first. 50 minus 4 is equal to 46. And then we bring down plus 3. So, we will now add the last operation, which is addition. 46 plus 3 is equals to 49. So, our final answer is equal to 49. Did you get the correct answer? Try to solve the next one. If we have 60 divided by 12 plus 4 times open parenthesis, 3 times 5 close parenthesis. So following the PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis. Do we have numbers? Operation with parenthesis? Yes, we have 3 times 5. We solve first numbers inside the parenthesis. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Then, we bring down the rest. Three times 5 is equals to 15. Then, we bring down the rest. 4 is 12 divided by 60. And then, do we have numbers with exponent? None. Let us go now to the third step. Do we have multiplication and division? Yes, we have division and multiplication. Which comes first? Is it multiplication or division? Correct. We have division. So we divide first. 60 divided by 12. We have 5. Then we bring down the rest. Do we have multiplication and division? Yes, we have. 4 times 15. 4 times 15 is equals to 60. Then bring down 5. Then we add 5 plus 60 is equals to 65. So our final answer will be 65. Did you get it right? Now try on your own. Pause the video for 5 minutes, then answer items below. Afterwards, we will check. Now let us check your answers. For number 1, we have 6. For number 2, we have 4. For number 3, we have 24. And for number 4, we have 51. Did you get all correct answers? That's great! Congratulations, kids! Now you are ready to answer your module. Good luck!